是谁把天上的星星折成了雪花呀？快艾特你最好的朋友一起折吧。
Sunshine dripping off your cheek, eyes that held the morning bright. You lit the room in lemon light. We chased the waves down to the shore. Barefoot laps, I wanted more. Salt and citrus on your lips. The way you smiled made my heart skip. Every moment fresh and wild, like postcards from a summer child. Lemon light, your sweet surprise. Golden love beneath jealous skies. Sharp like truth, but soft and slow. Like how the breezes tend to blow. You were mine just for a night. Underneath that lemon light. Maybe we were meant to fade, like yellow blooms in the heat wave. But I'll still taste you